today we are making some butterfly. For this we need to use orange color, blue color, glitter like gold, and green color. And we need to use some leaves. This leaf looks like an oval is hornbeam leaf. It's gonna be body. And this one from rowan tree leaf is going to be a butterfly wing. And this is clover. Clover is going to be another wing. So let's start. I'm going to use first hornbeam. I'm going to cover it with green paint. Green paint. Then I'm going to put here, this is top part of the body. Tap, 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 tap. And release. Okay, so now we have a body from 2 leaves. Next step is to make the wing, right and left, right? So for top wings, I'm going to use rowan tree. And I'm thinking to use orange color. Okay, let's use orange color. Okay, let's use orange color. We're going to cover it with orange paint. Orange. With orange. With orange paint. Orange. The leaf looks very unusual and very symmetrical, so it should look very, very pretty. Let's finish it with orange paint. Orange paint. It's very, very symmetrical. Let's see, it should look very, very beautiful. I'm ready with one wing, and I'm gonna cover it here like this. Tap, 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 tap. Let's see. Wow. And the second wing is going to look like this. Wow. Very symmetrical and unusual. So, but our butterfly has 2 small wings. We need to have 2 more. We're about to use clover. Okay, so I think we can use some blue paint, right? Let's use blue paint. Let's make it blue. Okay. Let's make it blue. We're going to use some blue paint. Paint it over. Okay, let's be generous with the paint. Wow, very, very blue. So blue. So blue. Okay. Very, very blue. A lot of blue paint there. Wow. It's going to be very blue. Blue clover. Okay, let's use some art. Okay, tap, 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 tap. Okay, let's check. Wow. Very nice. And wow, I was using clover, so now we have 2 beautiful wings, but the butterfly should have a head. So let's give it a head, right? I think it should be orange color. Okay, let's make it big and circle orange for our butterfly. Also, butterfly should have antenna. 1, 2 antennas, right? So let's draw it. 1, 2, 2 antennas. Okay. Also, I think the antenna should be pretty. And we have glitter. So let's use our glitter, right? We're gonna use this beautiful glitter to decorate our butterfly. Okay. Let's do it. Okay, we're going to drop here some glitter and something over here. Okay, I'm going to make it We're gonna make it shiny. I'm gonna make it shiny. Also, let's add something to our wings. Okay, we're gonna paint over a little bit with glitter to make it shiny. Right here. Okay, a little bit here. And it's gonna look very pretty and very shiny. Okay, a little bit right here. And over here. And it's our magical butterfly, right? Magical butterfly. Okay, so maybe a little bit here, over here and over here, some here and over here. Okay, so let's see what we have. This is our butterfly.